In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell vendor links on Shopify. We'll walk through the process in a clear, practical way so that by the end, you'll understand what vendor links are, how they fit into your store, and how to set them up so customers can easily find and buy from specific vendors on your Shopify site. First, let's quickly define what we mean by vendor links. In Shopify, every product can have a vendor field. This is usually the brand, supplier, or partner associated with that product. Vendor links are simply clickable links that take your customers to a page showing all products from that particular vendor. This is really useful if you work with multiple brands or suppliers and you want to highlight them individually. To start, log into your Shopify admin and go to your Products section. Open any product and look for the vendor field. Make sure each product has the correct vendor name filled in. Consistency really matters here. For example, don't use Asme on one product and Acme Inc. on another if they're the same vendor, or Shopify will treat them as two separate vendors. Go through your key products and clean up those vendor names so they match exactly. Next, we want to use those vendors in your online store navigation. In the Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Navigation. Decide where you want your vendor links to live. Many store owners like to add a brands or vendors menu in the main navigation, or a submenu under Shop. Create a new menu item. Give it a clear name like brands, and then add links under it for each vendor you want to feature. When you add a link, choose the option to link to a collection or to all products filtered by vendor. Depending on your theme, you may be able to search for vendors directly, or you might need to build custom collections, one per vendor, using a condition like product vendor is equal to that vendor's name. Save your menu once you've added the vendor links you need. After that, visit your storefront and click through the new vendor links. Make sure each one loads correctly and only shows products from that vendor. If something looks off, double-check the vendor names on the products and in your collections or navigation. Finally, think about how to present these links to customers. You might feature popular vendors on your homepage or add a short description on each vendor collection page so visitors know what makes that brand special. Over time, review which vendor pages get the most traffic and adjust your navigation to highlight your best performers.